All right, so let me get y'all a close up on this thing. Stiffler Manufacturing, Sig Pink. Oh my. Yeah, it's pink. I know, but we finna test it out. We got like 17 rounds in here, so let's run this thing. That's tough. That's tough. Let's run another one. Oh! What was that? Was that a light primer strike? Yeah, that was a light primer strike. I don't know if y'all can see it, but that was a light primer strike. Let's get back in the game. See if that'll run. Nope. But this is a Stiffler Manufacturing Sig Pink slide. I also threw my JTT barrel up in there. Now I got a lot of y'all commenting saying Gen 3 slides can't go on Gen 5 frames. Do your research, bro. I ain't gonna tell y'all how to do it because I don't know how YouTube gon' flag this video. So just know you can do it. It is possible. JTT barrel. Turn that to the other side. Oh, we got another primer. Got another light strike. It's like every mag we have a light primer strike. It's like every mag we will have at least one light primer strike. Look at that. And my fingernails got dirty. Look at that. Should we try to hit it again? Should we try to hit that thing again? Let's see. That one fired. All right, so let's talk a little bit about this red dot. This is a Fiachi 57 or 57. They did send two of these out. One of them will be staying with me. The other will be going to a subscriber. As y'all know, I just did a red dot giveaway. I forgot the Olight. The Olight O-Sight giveaway. I just did a giveaway on that. So the next giveaway will be a Fiachi red dot. But as of now, we're not really doing a review on this. I will be doing a review on this red dot in probably the next week or so. But this video was just coming to the range, testing out this Sig Pink Stiffler Manufacturing slide. Don't got no sights on it, don't need none. Sighted this thing in at the crib. Shoots good, cycles good, except them light primer strikes I be getting. Maybe it gotta get broken in. A lot of people wondering why I got pink. I wanted to be different. Everybody doing the same thing. I wanted to be different. It's my gun. At least I thought it was. Oh yeah, it's running now, boys. Oh yeah, it's running now, boys. Get back in the game. Listen, let me tell you one thing I like about this range. Nobody watches you, but we gotta clean up our own casing. So I'm done shooting. This is what I'm doing now, picking up all my casings. Then I'm finna go to the crib. So that's why my nails be dirty, bro. I gotta pick all these up, but it's fine. As long as ain't nobody watching my back, I do whatever. Shit. I don't like nobody watching my back now. Oh man, your boy getting old, man. Can't do all that bending over now. And also, if you ain't went and got you one of these bags, man, go get you one, bro. I don't know why I still got the tag on there, but put them rifles away with ease. Carry them to the car. All groceries, one trip, man. So you ain't got to listen to me though, bro. You ain't got to listen to me. I didn't really plan on making this video this week, but hey, I brought it to the range to see if it worked. And it do. So, while you're here, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, my boy. Mike Tyson looking ass. Subscribe to the channel. Comment on the video, say what's up to your boy. We out. First shots, man. Oh, man. Oh, that's short. I don't know how I'm going to hold that. That's short. Hold on. Okay, I'll hold it like that. Fuck it. Oh, man. Big things come in short packages.
Stop it. Get some help.